The legendary Ringbrothers, the 1971 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. This classic vehicle has been meticulously restored and upgraded, blending vintage charm with modern performance. Let's dive into the details. Engine and performance. Under the hood, this K5 Blazer boasts a powerful LS 36.2-liter 376 cubic inch engine with aluminum heads, delivering a robust 430 horsepower. This engine ensures that the Blazer is not just a showpiece, but a high-performance machine ready for any adventure. Paired with a Bowler True Street 4L80E transmission, the K5 Blazer is equipped with a Flowmaster 44 SS exhaust system and custom headers designed by Ringbrothers. Brakes and wheels, safety and style are perfectly balanced in this build. The K5 Blazer retains its stock brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power. It rides on HRE custom wheels measuring 18 by 12 inches, wrapped in BFG all-terrain TAKO 2LT tires, size 325 by 65 by 18. These wheels and tires provide excellent traction and durability, making the vehicle ready for any terrain. Suspension and handling. The suspension system is a highlight of this build, featuring a Roadster Shop 4-wheel drive chassis with Fox 2.5 factory series coilover shocks that have a 10-inch stroke both at the front and rear. This setup provides exceptional handling and stability, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. Interior and comfort. The interior of the K5 Blazer is designed for maximum comfort and style. High-quality materials and modern amenities ensure that every journey is enjoyable, whether you're driving through the city or exploring the great outdoors. The vehicle is finished in BSF Glaceret Waterborne Jaguar 2241, a color that beautifully complements its rugged yet refined look.